Now, Thomas, backtracking your Tuesday forecast.
Yeah, we've got a really good day coming. The sun's coming up. It's going to be beautiful. It's going to be warm. We should edge into the low 80s. And then the rest of the week, it starts to look not so great. This looks like it is raining cats and dogs. But what you're looking at is a significant temperature inversion that is playing all kinds of, wreaking all kinds of havoc with the MaxTrack radar beam. Notice how the map's in motion and everything's just staying in the same place. This is anomalous propagation. These aren't real returns as far as precipitation is concerned. Where those are, out to the west. And there you go. We've got showers, thunder showers on the move, diminishing complexes of storms rumbling across Kansas and Missouri overnight, and showers up into the Great Lakes toward Detroit and Chicago. We're in a little bit of a static situation here with a high south, another one up over the upper Midwest, and these waves of low pressure and these fronts just keep getting hung up between the two and running over the same old ground, which means you continue to see a severe threat and the potential for heavy rain and flooding in the same states. Texas has been hammered on and off since last week with rounds of severe weather, and today it is a potentially serious outbreak that they could see. They've got an enhanced to now moderate risk for severe storms, tornadic activity, damaging wind and hail, and then it extends into eastern Texas tomorrow, and then the day after into Thursday we've got this slight risk along the Mississippi River Valley. So you do notice that it is making some eastward progress, but the extent of it for us is pretty low end. Marginal risk for severe storms, mainly out west Thursday. We may see some stronger wind gusts and heavy rain out of some of them. But the future track for today keeps it fairly quiet. Tomorrow, more of the same. I don't anticipate much in the way of shower storm coverage until Thursday. We may see them firing up as early as Wednesday night. But we've got a couple of days off still. And yeah, here comes the sun. It's going to be a beautiful day, mid-50s, way above our average high though, by roughly about 10 degrees or so. And the wind out of the southeast now becoming more southerly later on today. We're in the 50s and 40s. Here's the front that I just showed you. Cooler north, warmer south. Of course, we are still in the warm sector of this frontal system. And with this front hanging up north, it'll be the case. In fact, it gets even warmer, mid-80s tomorrow. But low pressure comes up into the Great Lakes, and a cold front eventually makes a run at us. This is what's going to cool things down for the weekend and also ramp up the shower and storm threat going into your Thursday. Medium, high, as far as the pollen level. And grass is becoming more of a factor. Grass pollen, that's the one that gets me every year. So, yeah. Allergy meds may be necessary for today and tomorrow because these warm and especially warm and windy days are when it's the worst, when it's transported more efficiently. And they're producing it more due to the warmth and the sunshine. So low 80s today, tomorrow, mid 80s. So that's where the heat peaks. And then here come the scattered showers and thunder showers. Thursday, they'll slowly wind down heading into the weekend. Saturday may be the pick day of the weekend, but notice what's also happening. We are cooling down. Another front, a more widespread round of showers and storms, unfortunately, right now looks like it is in the cards for your upcoming Mother's Day.